Yeah, and this one, so it's like an exercise, and when it's all really good, we are going to write it in this book because it's not written yet. So when you think I have done my best in this one, you are going to rewrite it in this little book, okay? So I will give this to you, but you have to wait until 1 o'clock today, and then we yeah, it's a strange bicycle, eh? Have you seen it? On the bicycle there is a big wooden, like a box, wooden box, and the box is filled with all iron. See it? And on top of it there is a little girl, and they're leaving out from you. The monster says, stop! Yes. And they have to stop, because the monster says, stop. The girl on the bike, she goes off the bicycle, she looks at the monster, and then, what do you want? We don't know. We don't know yet. Okay. What do you see? What is the monster carrying? Iron. Yeah. So it's a monster who wanted to stop the bicycle, who wanted to stop the girls to get something out of the bicycle box. And he uses it like a necklace. So there is really humor in it, in my story. Okay, she says yes. We go to the next page. Ah, says the monster. Tell me. Stop! Again, they have to stop. And the big girl goes off the bicycle. She asks, okay, monster, what do you want? And then he points with his, to get warm. You all think to get warm? Yes? Okay, watch. Is it to get warm, or he uses it for? Because maybe we don't have enough over here. The pile gets smaller and smaller. And the little girl is still his finger, his bicycle. So is he going to ride the bicycle? No? Oh my God! For what is he going to use the bicycle? Is there another bicycle to ride the bike? Let me see. Glasses? Huh? That's really funny. No, you can't use a bicycle for glasses. Huh? So he would have a bicycle on his nose. And he also, is there, no, 2 bicycles here. No, 3.
Here also.
Yes, 4 bicycles here in the room. That's crazy. So, 2 pointing fingers. He wants everything. You see the little girl, the oldest girl, off the bicycle. And what is she asking to the monster? What do you want? Come on. And the little girl, oh my God, the pile is getting smaller and smaller. So these are big, like, how do you call them? This one. We have had the necklace, we have had the glasses, we have had smoking pipe or saxophone. But these gear wheels, let me see. What is it?
Earrings.
He's going to use it for earrings. Oh my God. You are not a scary monster when you're wearing earrings. Can't be. He does it, he wants them.